Hi guys, this is Brunda here. This is my first YouTube video and I'm gonna talk about home office space, how to design it. So this is the space that we designed in San Francisco. There was a loft apartment and there was a space that was unutilized below the staircase. So first we started with the plans and taking measurements. It's important to always take measurements so that you are around perfect to what exactly you want to build. This is the mood board. A mood board is always a palette where you narrow down some elements or materials or colors that you want in your home decor or the space you are designing in. It always helps you to think at one line and to narrow down the details what you want to put in. So I had decided to do a concrete wall texture for this space, and this was some of the inspiring pics that I had shortlisted, the texture that I wanted to do for the home office space. This wall was gonna be a focal wall for the entire house as it was a loft apartment. There were no walls or no barriers in between the spaces. So we had to choose it wisely what were we gonna do with the color or the texture or the any finish that we were gonna achieve on that wall. So we looked for some wallpapers that had concrete look, and as the wall was 16 feet high, we had only option of a wallpaper or a color texture that we could do. And we first looked for an wallpaper, as it was an easy to paste and to apply. Concrete wallpapers were way too costly and were not fitting in our budget, so we thought of opting for a paint texture. Then we choose the base color, that is for the wall color. We were looking for the gray, shades of gray, so we got 2-3 samples of the gray tones, and we tried and tested it first, and then we finalized it. So we made few samples before applying with paint and some different materials that will help us to achieve the concrete look. So after some samples, we got 4 or 5 of the textures that we liked, and we finalized on this one, which was easier to make and was sustainable and which looked really good. So after finalizing the texture, we started painting the wall. This was the first coat, and we gave 2 coats of paint and texture. This was the final outcome of that texture. So after that, we had to look for the table for the office, and this table cost around $1,095. The chair costed around $20. So we thought of not spending much and started to make our own table. So we got all the supplies and the material that was required to make the table according to our requirements. After we were done making table, we also thought of making some bookshelves where we can keep some books, some artifacts and some planters which would add the beauty to the space. We added a storage unit that we bought from IKEA, which helps to act as a partition between the entrance area and our home office space. It also helps to have some privacy at the home office space. Then we added few elements like plants, books, artifacts, carpet that would help in enhancing the home office space and where you will feel cozy as well as a space where you can work and study. So this was the final outlook that we achieved with simple few elements. Hope you guys like this home office space. If you guys like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.